Edit distance. In this topic we will understand what is edit distance, what are different axioms of edit distance, and different numericals on edit distance. What is edit distance? The minimum number of times the insertion and deletion of a single character is done to convert x to y or y to x is the distance between them. Let's see an example. If you want to convert hello world into jello, so what is supposed to do is you have to change h by j. So the edit distance between these two words is nothing but than 1 only. Edit distance is a distance measure. First axiom says to convert string x into y, number of insertion deletion can never be negative. So if you want to convert from one string to another string, definitely you cannot say I need a negative changes to done perform. Either you need to perform 0 if you are converting same string to same string. For example, you are converting hello to hello, so you don't have to be 0 will be there, and or else you can say if you from hello to jello, if you want to do it, you need only 1. So definitely negate it cannot be negative. Edit distance between two strings is 0 only if the two strings are same. If you are converting hello string to hello string, definitely distance between these two strings is 0. Number of insertions and deletions when the converting string x to y or y to x is the same. Definitely if you are converting hello to jello and jello to hello, so definitely insertion deletions will be the same. Number of insertion and deletion where the converting from x to z plus z to y will always be the greater than or equal to that of the converting string from x to y. So again the triangular equality is satisfied in case of edit distance. Let's see an example. Edit distance calculations. This is another important formula which is very easily we can work out. Distance between x and y is equals to, we find the length of the x, we are writing in a mod x, plus mod y, that is the length of the y, minus 2 times LCS of xy. What is LCS? LCS is the longest common subsequence which helps to calculate the edit distance also. Edit distance. Let's see. The edit distance between the strings x is equals to a b c d e and y is equals to a c f d e g is 3. So if you want to convert x to y, first of all we have to delete the b. We have to, if you want to convert x to y, we have to delete the b. As b doesn't exist here, b is not available here, so we have to delete the b. Okay, it is deleted. Okay, then insert f after c. We have to insert the f here. This location we insert the f. It will become a c f. d e is there, so then insert the g. G is inserted because g is available here. So by observing y, we have to convert x, so we have to add here g, and what we get at the end of it, we get the y. So when you convert x into y, you are supposed to perform the 3 different changes. First of all, you have to delete the b, you have to insert the f, and you have to insert the g. So you perform 3 different changes, so definitely distance between these two strings is 3. The number of sequence of fewer than the 3 insertion and deletion will be converted to x to y.
Thank you.